There are 4 criteria on how to choose the right job servicing niche, and today I'm going to share how to choose the right and profitable job servicing niche for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May and I'm an online business coach who has helped hundreds of individuals new to the digital world achieve massive online income through building risk-free online businesses. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. Choosing the right and profitable job servicing niche is the very first step that you should work on. It is a very important step because we want our job servicing business to be sustainable and profitable in the long run. So in today's video, I'm going to explain to you my 4 criteria on how you can choose the right and profitable job servicing niche when you are starting job servicing business as a beginner. The very first criteria is to identify a niche that has high demand. This means that there are a lot of people and businesses that are looking for the service that you are providing. There are 2 tools that I use to determine the demand of my service that I choose. The first tool is Google Trends. Google Trends is a free tool that can help you see how often a particular keyword or phrase is being searched for. This can give you an idea of how much demand there is for a particular product or service. The second tool will be Uber Suggest. This is another way that I look for high demand niche. Besides using this keyword tool, there are 2 more effective ways that I use to determine my niche when I first started my job servicing business. The first way is to talk to my target audience and understand what are the services they need. So when I first started, my target audience was the property agents, and I really understand them and I know what they need. When you know your target audience needs and pain points, then it will be much easier for you to determine the right niche to start. That is also the reason why I started off with video editing services, because I know that all property agents have the same pain points and needs, which are the video editing part, and that is why I started off my job servicing business providing video editing services. The other way that I use to determine whether my services have high demand is to list my service on online marketplace. If I receive inquiries, then I know that my services have high demand. The next criteria is competition. If the digital service that you are providing has high demand but also high in competition, then you may struggle to succeed in that niche. So when I first started doing video editing services, there wasn't much competition, but ever since I started telling people about job servicing, there are more and more people in this industry and there are more and more job services out there. So I get a lot of feedback from my students that for video editing services, it's pretty saturated. So what I did to overcome this is to still provide video editing service as a sub-service. That means my main service is going to be a video service, but I'm also going to offer video editing service inside. For example, I'm providing social media video services to property agents. I'm still providing video editing services, but it is made for the purpose of social media. This is one of the ways that I use to stand out and get clients. Criteria number 3 is your experience. So understand that selling the services that are not done by you is not that easy. You may not have the confidence to do so. So one of the criteria to choose a profitable and the right niche for your job servicing business is to explore your experience. For example, if you are looking at website design or development and you have an experience of building your very own website, you have a bit of experience how you build your own website, or you have went through the whole process of outsourcing the website design to a freelancer, that is considered an experience and you are aware and you know the processes involved. So that means that you have the third criteria, which is your experience. This way, it will give you a confidence boost because you have an actual experience about this niche. So when I first started job servicing business and I chose video editing, I know how a video editing process is. I have edited videos before and I can relate the video editing process to a property agent because I was a property agent. So this criteria is important for you to consider before deciding on what is your very first job servicing niche. The fourth criteria when you want to choose the right job servicing niche is your passion. If you have zero interest or you totally hate the whole process of a website design, then website design niche is not for you. You do not have the skill to develop a website, is okay, but at least you have a passion or an interest towards this service. This criteria is super important because this makes it easier for you to stay motivated and keep going even when things get tough. I personally have a direct interest in video editing. I find it very therapeutic editing videos, but when it comes to editing a whole bunch of videos for the property agents, then I feel that it's very taxing and it's very tiring, and that is why I've created job servicing, because I want to outsource these jobs to a freelancer and free up my own time. That is the first criteria of being an entrepreneur and a business owner. We do not want to be a freelancer whereby we take on the jobs ourselves and make ourselves so busy. So job servicing is a business that can help you free up your time, because you will learn how to leverage on other people's time and focus on sales and marketing. I hope these 4 criteria can help you choose the right and profitable job servicing niche. So right now we have cleared all these 4 criteria and you have a rough idea on which job servicing niche to start. So right now it is time for you to start understand this online business model, which is the job servicing. And for that, I have a free 2-hour job servicing step-by-step tutorial for you. All you need to do is to sign up on my website www.mayeng.co. In this training, I will explain to you what job servicing is about and how you can build a 5-figure job servicing agency. That's all for my video today. I hope you're able to choose your very first job servicing niche. And if you have any questions, do leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!